So today's video is going to be a voiceover. Yes. We're making a outfit out of that blanket I just showed you today. I'm excited. Alright, so I got my jeans because, you know, that's the size I already wear. Well, I thought so. There we go. Look at me. I be tweaking. This is me cutting out the first half of the jeans, so like the front or the back, it really don't matter. Almost done. Come on, can you go any slower? Alright, boom, got them cut out. Now we're about to cut the other side. Oh, sis, you went out of, I don't even know. But I'm cutting the frillies off, the blanket, because one side of the pants don't have frills on it, so we gotta figure it out. I think I'm cutting the pants out now. Yep. We on to the pan cutting. This is the second half of the pants. About to see me lift them up with pride. Maybe you ain't see me lift them up at all. Maybe you see me lift the iPad up with pride. I don't look like I lifted anything up with pride. Alright, I'm propping y'all up. My little ghetto days. We gonna upgrade it eventually. We in sewing position. What? So I think I'm sewing the crotch and butt area. The cooter and the booter. Cooter booter. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you. Alright, now one side need to cut open into two legs. So that's what this is doing. I forgot to turn that thing off. Alright, now this is the side that didn't have no frills, so we added them on right now. And I might have made this easier than it looked, but honey, it took me like 2 hours to make this outfit. And if y'all interested in one, please feel free to ask me, because I love making this. I used my class of 18 blanket to make this one. So these pants got my name on them, and the year I graduated, and what school I went to, so it's pretty dope. It's just about to be a whole bunch of sewing, so enjoy. So like an hour later, I'm finally finished with the pants. I'm just putting an elastic at the top now so it can fit around my waist. All snug. And here's the final product of the pants. I wind up making a shirt too, late notice, and I didn't record because I was like, what am I gonna wear with this? So here's the final product. So yeah, make sure you like, follow, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, whatever you want to do, and I'm out. Bye,
Then dip me underway. Hold me till I